So, hi everyone. So, what we shall do is we shall continue our journey of matrices. So, yesterday we had covered a few topics on matrices. So, now we are going to continue our journey on the concepts of matrices. Okay. So, come here. If you see here, A less than hyphen C of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what is the value of A? So, if you observe here, this C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is combined and this is a vector. So A is a vector. So it consists elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is not that one. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 less than hyphen A. That means the value of Shri is A. Right. Okay. Now names of Shri. C less than hyphen 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what we are doing here, if you observe carefully, so this is what we are doing. So what is A? A is nothing but elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are naming it as we are assigning this value of A to 3. Now names of 3 is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means now she is nothing but this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are giving the index names. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2. So if you observe here, these are the index names. So for one, the index name is 5. Okay, for two, index name is 4. For three, 3, 4, 2, and 1. So that is what we are doing. We are assigning the index values. Right. Now 3. Okay. So if you observe 3, she is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1, 2, 4, 5. 3 of 5. Okay. So 3 of 5 means which element we can expect? We can expect this 1 outside because the index value of 1 is 5. And the reason we are getting that 1 outside. Okay. Next, LS. So what is this? This will also use to clear all the code and all. Suppose whatever we had run till now, we can clear that one. Okay. So we'll get the the variables that have been created till now, a bowler, cricketer, RAM, Sri, V. So these are the things what we have created till now. Fine. So there is a thing. Fine. Now let us go to the task. So yesterday what we have discussed that we are going to deal with a task. So this is the task. So what we are doing, we are taking NBA data and so in this column, so if you are in this column, we have player names. In this column, we have salary. In this column, we have the team they are playing for. For example, Kobe Bryant is there. This is the basketball analytics, whatever we are doing. So Kobe Bryant is a player. His annual salary is this much, and he's playing for Los Angeles. And he's Joe Jones. This is his salary, or you can say it as a franchise amount or anything. So just I'm mentioning as a salary for convenient purpose. And he is playing for this particular team. And also this is the data we have. And again, what is the other information we have is we have other information like what is the calendar year, in which calendar year. So if you see here, so this is 2003 for calendar year and GP is games played, 79 games, and GS is goals scored and FPG is minutes per game. Next FG percentage, field goal percentage and all. So we have few data with us. So what we are PPG is there. Okay, so what he is doing, how is his performance per game. Okay, and also certain information is there. So what we are going to do is we are going to take this data and we are going to do certain sports analytics using the concepts of matrix. That is what we are going to do. So now let us go to our R studio. So come here. So this is our R studio. So if you observe here, seasons. Okay, so what is there here? Seasons. So C of 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 9, 8. So what is this seasons, guys? Seasons is the calendar season we are speaking about. 2005. 2006, 2007, 2008, like that. So what we are doing, we are making all these seasons into a vector. So because we use this combined operator and we are making this into a vector and we are naming it as seasons. That is what we are doing. So this is seasons. So run this one. So this is seasons. Next, players. So players, we have name of players. Kobe Bryant is there, Bryant, Gio Johnson, Lebrio James. Okay, so likewise, we have different player names are there. So what I'm doing, I'm taking different player names and I'm making it into a vector and I'm naming it as players. That is what I'm doing. So right. So we had created a vector. And now if you see Kobe Bryant, okay, so what you have to observe is here we have different players underscore salary. So if you see this one, Kobe Bryant in calendar year 2005, this is his salary. For the calendar year 2006, this is the salary. For calendar year 2007, this is the salary. Likewise, we have up till 2014 or something like that. Okay. Next, Gio Johnson. So this is calendar year 2005 salary. This is calendar year 2006 package he received for that year and all something like that. So Librio James. So what is his package for different years? Carmelo Anthony. So what is his package for each and every year? So likewise, we have all players data. So if you observe how many players are there, so Kobe Bryant, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. So 10 players data we have with us. As well as let us check the calendar years also. How many calendars years we have? 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10 years of data we have with us. Okay, so 10 years of annual package, what they are getting, that data we have with us. Okay, so each and every player, how many, what is the amount they are receiving for each and every year, that data we have with us. Okay, so this is the information. So now what I'm doing, I'm taking only Kobe Bryant. Okay, only Kobe Bryant, 10 years salary, whatever he received year wise. So this is a vector, I'm making into a vector and I'm running that. Running that. Similarly, for Geo Johnson also, I am running that one, making the year salary a vector and running that one. Okay. Next. Similarly, let us do for Librio James and other people also. Okay, run it. So we had run. So we had created a vector. Now, if you observe, so we have 10 vectors of 10 players, 10 vectors of 10 players with their annual salary for that year, like calendar year 2005, 2006, 2007, like that we have. So now what I'm doing, I'm making this 10 player salary as a matrix. Okay, so Kobe Bryant salary vector I'm taking, Geo Johnson salary vector I'm taking, Librio James salary vector I'm taking. So I'm taking various players and what I'm using R bind. So R bind, row wise binding, and I'm making a matrix. So if you don't know what is R bind, please go through the previous sessions. We have recorded this one in the previous session. Okay. And come here. So now what I'm doing, salary R bind of Kobe Bryant salary, Joe John salary, Librio James salary, and also I'm making it a matrix. Okay. So we had made it a matrix. Now check for salary. See, this is what the thing is. We run again. We run the salary. Okay. So if you observe, this is a matrix. So Kobe Bryant underscore salary. So Kobe Bryant underscore salary. So this is Kobe Bryant salary for different calendar years. So what is this one? This is column index. This is again another column index. This is another column index. So Geo Johnson salary. Okay. Librio James salary for different calendar years. Okay. So we made into a matrix. Now, if you observe here, we don't have any column names. We have row names. Kobe Bryant underscore salary, Joe Johnson underscore salary, Carmelo Anthony, and all. We have row names are there, but we don't have column names. But what are this? What is this column? This is 2005 calendar year, their respective salaries. What is this? This is 2006 calendar year, their respective salaries. What is this? This is 2007, their respective calendar year salaries. Like this, 2008 is there, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and down we have something called as 14, 2014. Okay. So now in the next step, what shall we do is we shall give this 2005, 2006, 2007, the season names as the row names. So what we are doing, we are giving season names because you know seasons. So what are seasons? 2005, comma 2006, comma 2007 up till 2014 it is. So column names, what we are doing, we are giving the season names. That is what we do. And in the next step, if you observe, Kobe Bryant underscore salary is there. Geo Johnson underscore salary is there. Librio James underscore salary is there. So for every player underscore salary is there. I don't think this underscore salary is needed. So let us have only player name. Let us remove this salary, and other things. Okay. So come here. We shall start doing that one. So So before we go, if you observe, see this is Kobe Bryant, Gio Johnson, Librio James, Carmelo Anthony, and all. So next, what is this? This is nothing but salary matrix. So what is this? This is salary matrix. This is salary matrix. Okay. Now, head of salary. So introducing a new term, head, a function. What is this head? What we will get is in our language, you will get first 6 rows case. Head means you will get first 6 rows. You will get first 6 rows. Head. Tail means you will get bottom 6 rows. Okay. So in Python, if you say head, you will get first 5 rows and tail, you will get bottom 5 rows. But in our language, if you ask for head, it will give you first 5 rows. Do remember. So head of salary. Run it. So you see, we got first 6 players. Okay. So now you may think that I don't want particular head with only first 5, 6 people and all. I want particular figure. For example, if you want first 4 players data. So what you use? Head, salary, comma 4. You give the index here up till what row index we have to get. So you will get that 4 rows. So now run this one, you will get first 4 rows. Right? See, we got first 4 rows. Okay. And tail of salary, bottom 6 rows we will get. See here. From bottom 6 rows we are getting. That is tail. So head, do remember always first top 6 rows, tail from bottom 6 rows we will get. Okay, that is tail. Next, view salary. So this is also one function. If you run this view salary, you can see in a separate tab. So view salary, see here. Okay. So if you see this view salary, you can see this is a matrix. Okay. This is a matrix. So what is this V1, V2, V3, V4? These are the index or the column names. So vector 1. So what we are doing, we have taken V1, vector 1. We have taken V2, vector 2. We have taken V3, vector 3. Likewise, 10 vectors. And what we have done, we have done R bind. Okay. So what is this Kobe Brain underscore salary, Geo Johnson underscore salary? These are row names, guys. This is not data. So if you see the definition of a matrix, the matrix, all columns all rows should consist of similar data. So if you see here, every row is consisting of similar data. Fine. So, but this is not data. These are the row names. These are the column names. Okay. So now if you observe, here we don't have valid column names. So what we can do, we can add in the place of V1, we can add 2000, we can add 2005. In the place of V2, you can add 2006, 2007, and so on like that. Okay. So let us add that one. Fine. So come here, close that one. So if you check for column names of salary, so as if now we don't have any column names, right? So it has to show now. See, it is showing because we don't have, as if now we don't have any column names. Okay. Next, head of salary, comma 3. So what we will get first 3 rows. See here, first 3 rows. So now what I'm doing here, I'm adding column names of salary as seasons. Okay, so if you see what is seasons, I'm running only seasons, guys. Please check. See, this is seasons 2005, 2006, 2007, and all. So what I'm doing, I'm adding column names of the salary matrix with the seasons. So here in the place of 1, 2, 3, and all the index names, we have to get the seasons names 2005, 2006, 2007, 8 like that. Okay. So right now, now just see view salary rather than so here. So what happened? We had given the valid names to the columns. Since this is 2005 calendar year, their respective salary, Kobe Brain salary, Geo John salary, Liprio James salary. So this is 2006, their respective salary. This is 2007 and all. Okay. And if you observe, there is one more thing also you need to find out that here for every player underscore salary is there. I guess this underscore salary is not needed. Kobe Bryant calendar year, his salary is enough. Kobe Bryant calendar year, his salary is there. No need of this underscore salary at all. So let us remove that underscore salary as well as. Okay. So let us remove that underscore salary. So if you check the column names of salary, so now column names has changed to 2005, 2006 and all. Now row names of salary. Let us check row names of salary. Kobe Bryant underscore salary is there. Now what I'm doing, I'm changing the row names to players. So if you run players, we have only players data. Kobe Bryant, Joe Johnson, Liprio James and all. So I'm changing the row names. Now view salary. See. So what happened? We had changed it into this way. Okay, so what is that way? Into a matrix form. So now this matrix has a valid row names, that is player names, and valid column names. What is that? Seasons. So these are season names, these are row names. And what is this? This is data. Okay. So that's how we had changed this data into our convenient way. So we made it into our convenient way in order to do data analysis and data visualization space. Okay. So now close this one, close the salary. Now come here. Now let us go to the salary again. View salary again. Directly. So if you view the salary, you observe carefully. Let us try to do certain sports analytics and try to understand something. So if you see Kobe Bryant, 2005, this is the salary. Okay. So it is 15 million dollars is there. And 2006, this is his salary. 2007, this. If you observe, every year his salary is increasing. His salary is increasing. His salary. Only in the last year, there is a drop. 2014, there is a drop. So for Geo Johnson also, his salary is increasing, increasing, increasing. So every year it is increasing. Librio James, his salary is increasing, 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 increasing. So for these people, they might be not played in that season or freshers or something like that. So this is the thing. So this is a little bit analyzation, but we do a detailed analyzation. Okay. So that is it. Fine. Now, let us take the games played. Okay. So if you observe here, so before we take games played, so let me see.